Welcome back to another edition of App of the Week. Today I'm going to show you a Google add-on that is in Google Forms called Form Ranger. And what Form Ranger does is it allows you to pull data from a spreadsheet into one of your questions in your form. It's very simple to use. So all you have to do is when you start creating a form, in your form, the Form Ranger will work for any questions that are either multiple choice, choose from a drop down, or a checkbox. So it has to be one of those kind of question types. So you see I have a couple of those question types in my form. So I'm going to go to add-ons, and if you don't have Form Ranger, you're just going to go to get add-ons. But I already have it selected here. I'm just going to click start, and then you're going to see Form Ranger come up on the right hand side, and then it's going to pull up all your questions that meet those question types I was telling you before, the multiple choice, the checkbox, or the choose from drop down list. So one of mine is my trainer option. It's my trainer question, so you'll see it show here. So all I have to do is check this box. It says populate from values list, and then you'll see this drop down list where it says select, and I'm going to select new values list, and this is going to take me to a wizard where I can find the spreadsheet that I want to use. So the spreadsheet I want to use is called trainers. There it is right here. If it didn't initially show up, I could just search for it right here. I'm going to select trainers, and then it's going to ask me which sheet do I want to pull from. I want to pull from the first sheet, and then it's going to give me a preview of all the data that is in that particular row. You see in the column header, it gives me each column, so I can pick a different column if I want to populate the different data. When I pick a different column, you'll see I get a preview of the data that's in that column. I'm just going to leave this one as the trainer one, and then hit next, and then it's going to let me give this a value. I'm going to give this a name, and now when I hit save, in my form, all the data that was in my spreadsheet is now in my form. And so now I can complete this form and send it out, and all the data that's in there. Now, one of the big advantages of using Form Ranger is, number one, is that spreadsheet that I use to connect to this form, I can also use that same spreadsheet to connect to multiple forms. I can go to several different forms and have this one spreadsheet connecting to all these different forms. And the other nice thing I like about it is when I make a change to that spreadsheet, it will change all the forms that it's connected to. So that's something that's really nice. I can go down here and say on form submit and turn this on, and what that basically does is it makes those changes anytime you make a change in your spreadsheet. So that is Form Ranger, a simple way to add data from a spreadsheet into your Google Forms, and it is an add-on under Google Forms.